Good afternoon, second grade. Since this is your first day in Lit Lab for second grade, we're just going to do some different computer activities that you should be able to handle with no problem. So first, a little bit of a review for how do we get to the Symbaloo, which is where our things are linked. So if you don't remember the website, you should have a folder right over here that allows you to go to it. And then yours doesn't quite organize the same way as mine, but you should see one bookmarked in your list that says Symbaloo. So then I would just click on that, and it's going to open up the Symbaloo for me. Then the activity we're doing today is this top pink one with the person in it, and it's just called second grade bonus. So these are just some bonus activities that we don't always do. Now, I don't think you'll have to sign in. But remember, if you do, that the box will be down there, and I will share the login information with the substitute. So here we have a variety of activities that I would like you to work on, and some of these we might have done in first grade as well. So this first one is just working on some sight words and being able to type them in. So I would just click in the first box, and I'm going to type in the word. When I've typed it all in, I'll say check. It'll tell me if I got it correct or not. And then it'll take me to the next word. So that's one of the activities. Then another one is this fun word search. And so you have all of your words over here that you need to find. And if you think you found a word, I'm just going to hold down on my trackpad and drag in order to find it. If I didn't do it correctly, it's going to not keep it there. If I do find a word, like here is spreadsheet, it's going to keep it highlighted, and then it checks it off my list. So that is another activity. And then the last one is one of our drag and drop activities to work on trackpad skills. So remember, especially for this one, that's what we're focusing on is our two fingers with our trackpad and not using our touch screen. So just matching up the word with the picture by dragging and dropping. So if you remember with our two fingers for trackpad, I use one finger to push down and grab my tornado, and I'm going to use the other finger to slide it over to where I need. When you get it all done, you'll check that as well. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next week.